In this video, we are going to see 5th Standard English, Term 1, Unit 1, My Native Place, Lesson 2, Trip to My Grandparents' Village. We have already seen in the last video, there was a boy named Santosh who traveled to his grandparents' village with his parents. And he recorded everything in his mother's phone. Later, he writes down his memories in his personal diary. On April 10th, he packed everything and he was so excited to meet his grandparents and cousins. Let us continue the lesson. 11th April. Today we are traveling. Though it is summer, the weather is pleasant in the morning. There are numerous trees with yellow flowers on both sides of the road. There is greenery all around. There are many white cranes in the lush green paddy fields. The scarecrows have managed to scare away the crows in the fields. There is no traffic, noise, and air pollution in the village. Santosh's family was traveling to his grandparents' village on 11th April. Though it was summer, the weather was pleasant in the morning. They did not feel too hot. While traveling by bus, they have seen numerous trees, numerous means more trees with yellow flowers on both the side of the road. Have you seen like that? Yes, some places you can see both the sides they have trees with many different color flowers. Because they are traveling to a village, so there is greenery all around. And they have seen many white cranes in the green paddy fields. You can see in the picture that is green paddy field. The scarecrow have managed to scare away the crows in the field. You can see in the picture that is scarecrow. In the field, you can see a figure which is look like a person to scare away the crows. And there is no traffic, noise and air pollution in the village. Have you seen the village? How it is? Yes, it is green and pleasant. I get off the bus and run to meet my grandparents. They are delighted to see me. The house is surrounded by many big trees. There are a few jackfruit, mango, neem, banana, pomegranate, and coconut trees. The trees have abundant fruits. My grandfather plucked some ripe mangoes for me. The mangoes are so juicy and sweet. After a long time, if you meet your grandparents, what will you do? Yes, you will run and hug them. The same way, Santosh also got down from the bus and ran to meet his grandparents. His grandparents also very happy to see him. Delighted means happy. The house was surrounded by many big trees and there are few fruit trees also there. They are jackfruit, mango, neem, banana, pomegranate and coconut trees. They have lots of fruits and Santosh's grandfather plucked some ripe mangoes and gave him. The mangoes were so juicy and sweet. 12th April. I have woken up early today. I am out for a walk in the morning. The cool breeze is calming. The coconut palms are swaying lazily. The farmers are already in their field. Some of them are cutting the crops and some of them are threshing the paddy. The air is filled with the sweet sound of birds singing in the trees and the bushes. The cuckoo's song is perhaps the most enchanting. It was 12th April. Santosh had woken up early that day and he walked in the morning. The cool breeze was calming. Yes, village means everywhere green and it was so pleasant he felt the cool breeze. The coconut palms are swaying lazily. It was a village. So village people used to wake up early in the morning. So farmers are already in their field. Some of them were cutting the crops and some of them were threshing the paddy. Threshing means separating the grains from the crops. The air is filled with sweet sound of birds singing. Because many trees are there, so there are many birds, they are singing. Especially the cuckoo song is most enchanting. Enchanting means attractive. Have you heard the bird sound? Yes. How it is? Yes, it is very sweet. When I come home, I freshen up and eat the tastiest breakfast in my life. Later, my grandmother introduced a girl, Pavai. She goes to village school. She lives down the street. She is very eager to show me around the village. Pavai shows me how to play with a tire and a stick. We happily run down the lane, balancing the tire with a small stick. We stop to talk to Pavai's friends Amir, Peter, and Umayal. After a walk, he came to home and he had his breakfast. It was the tastiest breakfast in his life, he felt. Later, his grandmother introduced a girl, Pavai. She goes to village school. She lives down the street. She was very eager to show him around the village. And Pavai shows him how to play with a tire and a stick. Yes, have you played this game? Those who are in the village, you would have played this. Yes. You can ask your parents, they would have played this game. Then they happily ran down the lane, balancing the tire with a small stick. Then they stopped. Pavai introduced her friends Amir, Peter, and Umayal. All children here to have their summer vacation. Amir is helping his father in milking their cows. He lets me pat his black cow. Peter and Umayal are sitting with their grandmother, breaking groundnut pods and piling them neatly. Later, they will take the nuts to the village market to sell them. I helped them for some time. Now, Santosh was with Pavai to see the village. Yes, Pavai and her friends were very eager to show the village to Santosh. All the children are here to have their summer vacation. Amir is helping his father in milking their cows and he pat his black calf. Peter and Umayal are sitting with their grandmother and breaking the groundnut pods. Then piling them neatly. Piling means gathering in one place. Then later they will take the nuts to the village market and sell them. So Santosh also helped them for some time. Will you help your friends or not? Yes, we have to help our friends. Santosh also helped his friends. 13th April. Pavai takes me to the village pond. There are many children splashing around in the pond. Some boys are climbing to the top of the tall tamarind tree. Girls are playing hide and seek near the big banyan tree. It was 13th April. Pavai takes Santosh to village pond. There are many children splashing around in the pond. They enjoyed playing with water. If you go to the pond, what will you do? Yes, we also like to splash the water and play. Some boys are climbing the top of the tall tamarind tree. You can see in the picture. And girls are playing hide and seek near the big banyan tree. My mother and my aunties take me to the river for a refreshing bath. I play for some time in the cool water, but I cannot swim. So I sit on a big smooth rock and watch my friends swim like experts. They talk and laugh a lot as they wash their clothes and dry their hair in the sun. The river is so clean that I can see the pebbles in the riverbed and colorful fish swim by. I love the scenery. Santosh's mother and his aunties took him to the river for refreshing bath. He played for some times in the cool water, but he could not swim. So he sat on a rock and watched his friend who swim like experts. Experts means well skilled. Then they wash their clothes and they dry their hair in the sun. Yes, village means they used to take bath in the river only, and they would like to wash their clothes and play for some time and dry their hair, and they had lots of fun. The river was so clean, so Santosh can see pebbles and fishes swim by. He loved that scenery. Yes. Do you like to be in that place? Yes, everyone like to be in that place. 14th April. We are back to our home in the city. The trip to our grandparents' home was so enjoyable. Those 2 days flew by so fast. I realized that during this day. I had neither watched television nor played video games. I am eagerly looking forward to our next visit. It was 14th April. They were back to their home in the city. The trip to his grandparents' home was so enjoyable. He enjoyed a lot. Those 2 days flew by so fast for Santosh. Santosh realized during this visit he had neither watched television nor played video games. Yes, he was in the city, so he used to watch television or play video games. Now he understood. Then he was eagerly looking forward to his next visit to his grandparents' village. So, children, is TV and video game the only way to pass time? No. We have lots of things to do to pass our time. Can we do something else? Yes. So, yearly once you can visit your grandparents' village or your native place. If you get time, try to play with your neighbors or do something. Don't spend your time by watching television and playing video games. It's not good for your health also. So, play well and stay happy. Thank you for watching.